To set up Facebook Product Manager, so the first thing we have to do is to navigate to the Sales Channel section and select Facebook. Now in the Facebook shop page, we proceed to select the Facebook product catalog. So here is the settings for the Facebook product catalog feed. So we are going to enable the feed and then proceed to set up the settings. So these are the various settings we have. We can, here we'll define how it will handle out of stock products. So we leave it as out of stock. So here we can define how the feed will handle disabled products. So we leave it as discontinued. So here we define how the feed will set the product description. So we use, instead of using the meta, so we have the option of using the meta, or we use HTML. So let's go ahead and leave it as meta, or let's go ahead and choose the HTML option. So we proceed. So here we can also set up how it will handle the product ID. So we can use the model number or the product ID number. So let's leave it as product ID. So here we can set up if we want to include taxes in the product price. So for this example, I'll disable it. So we leave the image catch option as enabled. So once we have set up these options and enabled the status, we go ahead and save. So now that it has been saved, the next thing we have to do is to set up the Facebook commerce so that we can use this feed to generate the product catalog. So let's go ahead and do that. So we type in Facebook Commerce Manager. So we go ahead and select this option. So here we proceed to choose the Commerce Manager option. So know that you have to be logged into your Facebook account in order to set up the Facebook Commerce. So I'm currently logged into my account. So here is the Commerce Manager. So what we want to do now is we want to set up a product catalog. So to do that, we go ahead and click on the Add Catalog button. So this will open the product catalog creation page. You can see the options we have here. So we select the catalog type, we say e-commerce. So here in this option, we select the upload method. So we select this option. Go ahead and choose the owner, the catalog name. Call this catalog products. And then we proceed to create it. So we go ahead and view the catalog. All right, so now that the product catalog has been created. You can see the options we have here. So the next thing we have to do now is to set up the data source, which is going to be done using the product feed we set up in the store admin panel. So to do that, we proceed to select data sources. So here we choose the option, we select the data feed option and select next. So here we are going to add the setup we want to add here. So we say use a file hosted on website. We select this option and then proceed. So here we are now going to add the feed. So we proceed back to the store admin panel, select this, we copy it, so and then go ahead and add it here. So after adding it here, we click on the next button. So we choose daily as the option here. Automatic updates, we leave this as it is. So we leave all these options and then we proceed. So the product is now being uploaded to your Facebook Commerce Manager. So once it is done, all the product in your store will be available on your Facebook account. So now that it's still processing, so wait for it to finish. So let's go ahead and check the items option since it's almost done. We check the items option. So it's currently still being uploaded. So we wait for it. Okay, so now that it's done, you can see that all the products we have in our store has been uploaded. So we currently have 6 products. If we check in the items section, so you can see that the products have been added. You can see the prices. So these are all the products we have in the store. So in this example, I've shown you how to set up the product, that's the Facebook product catalog, using the Facebook product catalog feed module, and how to upload the product into the Commerce Manager using the feed link. Thank you for watching.